Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to get $35 promo code on Instacart. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search promo code for Instacart and press enter. Now you will be led to various websites where they are presenting various promo codes. You need to choose one according to your preference. For this video, I will go for coupon follow. Here now you can see a list of options and promo codes and offer they are providing. Now you need to search for $35 off. But in case if you don't see the $35 off, then you can go to other website and check it. But here we cannot find any. But here we can see this $30 off promo code. So we will be using this for this video. Now here you can see this option show coupon code. You need to click on that. Within a second, this kind of box will pop up. Now you need to copy this Instacart coupon and redeem it while you are shopping from your Instacart. And you will be getting $30 off on your checkout. If it was $35 off promo code, then you could be getting $35 off. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.